Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 9th video in Pyside2 GUI development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create about box in Pyside2. So this was from the previous video that we have created about box. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can use QTimer with QLCDNumber and create a digital clock. So we are going to create a digital clock by using QLCDNumber and also QTimer. So now let's get started. I have created a new Python file. So first we need to import some, we are going to import our library, our classes that we need for this coding. So from Pyside2, so from Pyside2.qt widgets, so qt widgets. Okay, so the first thing I need, I'm going to import Q application. Also I need to I don't know why it's slow, because it's updating the skeleton, the pie chart. So let me just this should be completed, and after that I start my coding. Okay, now Q application, we need Q widget. Also we need QLCDNumber, and now also we need some classes from the Qt core. So .qt core import QTime, QTimer and signal. Also we need to import sys, and the last class that we need, that's from Qt GUI, we need a Q icon. So from Pyside2.qt GUI import Q icon. Okay, so now we are going to create a class. So I call it Digital Clock, and this class inherits from QLCDNumber. So if you don't know about object-oriented programming in Python, you can check my videos on complete videos on Python object-oriented programming. So okay, let me write the init method and also the super. So super, I have described all these in my object-oriented tutorial, so I have more than 9 or 10 videos on this. And this is parent. Okay, so the first thing that we need in here, because let me just copy some codes from my in here. We need to give parent to none. So we need an icon for our window. So for this I'm going to just copy this code and paste it in here. This is for icon creation, and let me call this method in here. So self.set icon, and also I need to copy these codes like this and paste it in here. And this is not window, it's digital clock. Okay, so now this is our window, and let me just run this. You can see that we have it's not a regular window, but it is a LCD window. So the proposal that we are going to make a digital clock. So this is just simple QLCD window. Now after this that we have created these, so now in here we need to create a method. I call it div show time. Let me create time QTime dot current time. I'm getting the current time, and from the system, so time dot to string, and this is the format that we are going to do. We have hour and we have minute. If time dot second, if time dot second modulus 2 is 0. So if this is the case, now we need to append this to our text. So text plus text, and after that we need to display this. So self dot display, we want to display this in our this text in our LCD. Okay, now we have created this method, but right now there's nothing with this method because we need to connect this we need to connect this slot with the timeout signal. So in here in this section, first thing I need, let me set the segment style for my LCD number. Set segment style QLCDNumber dot filled and now I want to create a timer in here, a QTimer object, QTimer, and now we need to connect this timer. So self dot connect, we want to connect our timer to the signal of timeout. So timeout, and the slot is that we want to connect, that is self dot show time. Show time, and at the end we need to start this. So timer dot start like this, and we need to, I want to add 1000 millisecond, and also you need to self dot show time. We need to call this method self dot set window title to digital clock, and also we need to resize the window. So self dot resize 300 by 200. Okay, now this is the complete code, and now I want to run this. Hopefully I don't get any error. So I have, I think, a problem in here. Let me just check that. Where's the problem? I'm getting this, but let me just check this. Okay guys, the main problem is in my timer, because I need to give a parent of self for this, like this. And now our code is completed, and you can check. Don't worry, I will add this code to my blog, and you can get this code. Let me just now run this. Now you can see this is our nice digital clock that we have created, like this. Okay, thank you guys. I will add a source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, share the video, and also like the videos.